Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use the new OmeTV app. This is not just a random video chat app anymore. It now works more like a social media platform where you can connect with people, make friends and interact with users from around the world. First, open the Play Store and search for OmeTV. Select the OmeTV app, then tap on the developer's name. There you will find their new OmeTV app. Tap on it and install it. I already have it installed, so I will go ahead and open it. When you launch the app, you will see the login screen. Choose one of the available sign-in options and create your account. After logging in, you will be taken to your profile page. Here, you can upload photos just like other social media apps, edit your profile information and manage your account. In the search tab, you can discover users from all around the world. You can also filter users by country and gender to find people you are interested in connecting with. The middle tab is where you can use the app just like the classic OmeTV experience. You will need to allow camera and microphone permissions first. After that, select a country if you want, then start chatting with new people and making new friends. In the message tab, you can view your conversations with friends. You can also check the favorite tabs to see the people you have added to your favorite list. I hope this video helped you understand how to use new OmeTV app. If you found it useful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.